So we're going to pop into this Alfie Moons that you lot recommended on Facebook. Good price here, why pay more, pay more, pay more only for quality? That doesn't make sense. Fucking shit myself there. Jimmy, see that? I love that, proper bacon. So let's go in, get an English breakfast with proper bacon, pork sausage, Heinz beans, English tea at Alfie Moons. So the full English breakfast here, it's like £9. You compare, you know, you could have an omelette for cheaper, which is 230, which is like £6. But a full English breakfast, £9. You compare that to other places where £2, £2.50, maximum 5 or 6. Either they don't sell many breakfasts, or Gumbert is expensive for full English breakfasts. Look at that little French toast there as well, eggy bread, 2 eggs, sausage, bacon, tomatoes, mushrooms, plenty of beans, Heinz beans, come on, and 2 toasts underneath. That's a good looking breakfast. And then Jimmy has got many men. Turkish breakfast, many men, which is scrambled eggs, tomatoes all mixed together, then peppers, sometimes onions, sometimes jalapenos. So many men for Jimmy, full English breakfast for me. Let's dig in. So we've got 2 eggs, loads of beans, Heinz baked beans, 2 bacon or 1.5 bacon, a tomato chopped in half, 1 sausage, 2 toast. We've also got some French eggy bread. Get a load of that. And mushrooms neatly lined up, and that is a good looking breakfast. Look at this. That is a good looking brekkie. Beautiful. So Marmaris is famous for its honey. It's sweet but not overpowering, and I wish I could take so much of this home, but because of how much you're allowed to take in weight, it would weigh the case down every time.
Teddy will like this.
Okay?
Teddy will like this one.
Teddy would like chocolate spread.
Chocolate spread, yeah. Like this.
Oh, very nice, mate. Güzel.
Çok güzel.
So that paste had a little bit of a kick for me, but I'm going to go around the rest of the breakfast. You know I like cheese, the different cheese that's there. Let's bring some over to the plate.
hafta içi bu belki de.
Now some things, if it's just going straight to your plate and it's not on a sharing part, I'll happily use my fingers. If there's something where we're both going to be mixing on the same thing, then I'll use a fork. This cheese, like crumbled Turkish cheese, very strong.
No, it's not very strong.
Not strong. Quite strong, almost like Parmesan cheese. So I'm going to take some of the bread, what do you call this bread with the seeds on? Simit. And I'm going to try the blackberry jam, Oh my god, that jam. All the jams are homemade, the marmalades. Perfect. Now this thing, do you cut or do you pick up?
If you want.
And it's got peppers.
Yeah,
what else is inside?
So many things inside. Really, I don't know.
Lots of things inside.
Yeah.
Very crispy, but the pastry inside isn't crispy. It's almost like lasagna-like. You know, soft. What is the name of this again? Sorry. Avcı böreği. Which is a very crispy Well, it's like the, you know what it reminds me of in the middle? I know exactly what it reminds me of now. You know, the underneath,
come for this one.
The underneath for bentos, the soggy pastry, that's the middle, soggy pastry. The outside's got this beautiful golden crispiness to it. It's got some sort of mince inside with onions, peppers, but that, I would come anywhere just for one of these. Look, there's so much choice on the table. 480 lira per person, around £11 per person. You also get chai on the end as well, Turkish tea. And the views are incredible. Don't forget, I've recorded all the views. Go and subscribe to Dad Loves Food on YouTube. I hope you lot have subscribed on YouTube. Perfect. Let me know what you think in the comments. Have you ever been here before? where else would you visit in Marmaris or Icmeler for a traditional Turkish breakfast? Right, so after finding the other £3 breakfast in Icmeler, someone messaged me and said, Craig, don't forget about Speedies, don't forget Speedies in Marmaris. So we've came to Speedies now, and you can see the sign right outside, full English breakfast, £2.99, officially the cheapest in Marmaris and Icmeler. So let's find out what time the cheapest breakfast in Marmaris opens. So what time do you open?
8 o'clock is open.
Yeah.
2 o'clock is finish.
2 o'clock breakfast
yeah.
finish.
Yeah. 2 o'clock is finish. Tonight this you coming this very people this special dinner.
Yeah.
This man is special. Man.
And what's besides the breakfast? What's the #1 best meal on your menu? What's the best thing you serve?
It's your very best friend. And all this
Every
family
day.
coming to see. You know, this very time I work in this kitchen. My wife work in kitchen.
Yeah. Family run.
Yeah, homemade this homemade breakfast and well this bacon is grilled bacon is crispy.
Yeah,
It's nice.
perfect.
Yeah,
Looking forward to it. You can't fall off for a
Yeah.
breakfast for £2.99. Listen, I remember having a breakfast tea before, and I think it was last year, and it was still £2.99, which is dirt cheap, especially with all the prices that have gone up. But these have kept the full English breakfast at £2.99, which is a credit to them, because there can't be much profit on it. They've kept the Effie's beers at 100 lira, which is about £2.50, or with a new exchange rate just under £2.50.
What do you use your breakfast?
Sowell. Oh, thank you very much, mates.
Enjoy.
You said something.
That breakfast there is ridiculous for £2.99 in Marmaris at Speedies. Look at that.
Enjoy.
Gazelle, beautiful. Look at that. Yoink. Look at that. £2.99, 1 bacon, 1 sausage, 2 bread, 2 eggs, mushrooms, tomato, beans, and a side of butter. Look at that, £2.99, that is an absolute steal. Listen, that was absolutely spot on. £2.99, the cheapest about, and I'll definitely be back at that price. Right, this is Majestic Restaurant in Icmeler, where you can still get a full English breakfast for £3, a full Scottish breakfast for £4, and all the kids' meals are £4 as well. Look at that, belly dancing, robot show, fire show, and that's just tonight. Tina Turner, Freddie Mercury, and full Monty. Lunch menu, doner kebab, chicken or lamb with salad and chips, £4.50, look at that. Chinese special, £5.99, soup, chicken or beef dish, egg fried rice or noodles, apple with honey, £5.99. You know, the bargains are there, you just have to go out and find them. Right, let's go and eat a full Scottish at Majestic. Full English breakfast for Rochelle. Oh yeah, they've cooked that perfectly, haven't they? No? Scottish breakfast over here, please, mate. Thank you. Wow, thank you very much, mate. Sowell. So there we have it, a full English breakfast for £3, full Scottish for £4, and this is the cheapest full Scottish breakfast in Marmaris and Icmeler. Sorry mate, I'm expecting in the background there. Might as well get them both in. So let's dig in to the full Scottish tatty scone. Square sausage. I do like a square sausage, and it's still surprising to see a square sausage and a regular sausage on the same plate. I'm eating like an absolute animal because I want you lot to see it all before it gets cold. That bacon looks nice and thick, good bit of fat on there. Oh, fair play to them. They've nailed the breakfast. £3, £4 of Scottish. If I had to choose between the two, I would go with Scottish, I'll be honest. I like the extra bits. It's a little bit bigger than an English. But Rochelle's sat there knacking in a full English. £3 for Rochelle's, £4 for mine, and £4 for the kids menu. Morning everyone, so next up we're going to visit Rush Bar Now Rush was one of the very first bars that I came to in 2020. Alright mate.
How's it going?
Yeah, good, thank you mate. Bit of a sore throat, but I'm
Oh,
alright.
you alright? How's it going?
Yeah, good pal.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you
I'm
mate.
following you on Facebook.
Oh, appreciate that mate.
Little Ted's Travels.
That's the one.
Alright man, how are you?
What was your name mate?
Mike.
Mike, nice to meet you mate.
From
Nice to meet you,
Wales.
love.
I gave you an invite the other day to come up to Speed Your Part.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Where on? Where
Speed
did you?
Your Part.
When-
Oh, it was his birthday on Sunday.
Oh, sorry mate.
Yeah.
Yeah, the messages.
Yeah, I know,
the lads
mate.
in the office read them.
Ah, yeah.
But yeah, so I'm just making a YouTube now.
Oh, yeah.
But, so you'll put you on there as well.
There you go. Thank you.
Wales.
From
Nice
Wales.
nice to meet you both.
Yaki da.
Jackie da.
Alright, Ted.
See you later.
High five.
So, class followers all over. So we're just going to, see you later mate. We're just going to Rush Bar now. As I was saying, Rush was one of the first bars I ever went to in 2020. Rashid, the owner, absolutely fantastic bloke, a proper gentleman. Looked after me mum and dad when they came out. And he's also now got one of the cheapest breakfasts in Marmaris and Icmeler at £2.50. Then he's gone even further than that and he's put the cheapest effies on for 70 lira. You can't get cheaper anywhere. Let me show you right now. Sore throat, Turkish vodka. Should have came here for Smirnoff.
Yeah. He's blowing, isn't it? Hello, my little baby. What's wrong? You're not shaking my hand.
And this is the £2.50 breakfast at Rush Bar in Icmeler. Ladies first, gentlemen. Michelle? Thank you very much mate. Heinz ketchup, HP brown sauce, 70 lira, a pint of effies. You can't find cheaper. Perfect mate. Sewell, thank you.
Enjoy your
Thank you mate. So yeah, my voice is gone, so try not, hopefully that doesn't affect the video. £2.50 for a very well presented full English breakfast at Rush Bar in Icmeler. Beans separate, half grilled tomato, 1 sausage, 2 eggs, 2 toast, full grilled tomato, 1 bacon and a side of mushrooms. We've got some butter, alright, some butter over here, Teddy's breakfast here, some wipes, and that is 3 of us fed for £7.50. Get in there! Well played Rashid. Of that breakfast for £2.50. Rochelle's got hers over there, £2.50, and this is at Rush Bar in Icmeler. There's Rashid, the owner, just behind there. Teddy's got his breakfast, £2.50. And that is a really clean breakfast. Never ever had a bad meal at Rush Bar. Whether that meal was a rack of lamb, beef ribs, an omelette, service is always fantastic. And the open throughout the winter as well. Morning everyone, so we're at Piccadilly restaurant here in Marmaris, the southwest coast of Turkey. Now Piccadilly is a restaurant that has been here for many years. I think it's 1999 it opened. Reg is a well-known owner in the area, and it's one of them places that pops up on social media a lot where people saying I've been there, I've loved the breakfast, I've loved the food, and the hospitality was excellent, so I had to come and try the breakfast for myself. I like that. Right, so this morning I'm going to try Sport Inn Cafe Bar here in Icmeler. Just opposite the canal there and Broadway Cafe Bar. You've got Florida Bar just over there. And we're going to try the full English breakfast or whatever the kids want. One place for some reason I've just never been before. So this trip I'm going to make sure I get to a few bars that I haven't seen or experienced or reviewed. Let's try them. And I need a haircut still.
Sausage, beans, toast.
And chips on, in Turkey they chuck chips on everything.
Yes, please. Full English breakfast.
One over there mate, one here.
Okay, my man.
Oh, sour mate, thank you. So that's it, full English breakfast for me, Corey. Teddy's gone for, he asked for beans on toast with sausages, but in Turkey they throw chips on as well. Isla's got the same, but without the sausage. And Oscar went for?
Sausage sandwich.
Sausage sandwich, which is coming in a second. But this is the food at the Sport Inn in Icmeler, opposite the canal. Rochelle's got cheese and onion toast.
And then
And look at that, Oscar, sausage sandwich for Oscar.
Thank you.
Served in a baguette, again with chips and some sauces on his plate as well. So we need to dig in, check the food and see what it's like at Sport Inn. I love it over here when they've got them big juicy mushrooms that just pop in your mouth. Seasoned well. Now it is £7, things I've got up in Turkey. You can still get cheaper breakfast around, but this place is £7 and you get 1 sausage, 1 bacon. Oh, you know, if I'm being a bit greedy, I'd like either a hash brown on there or black pudding. It's probably being a bit greedy, which is what I want. How's yours? Nice, Isla?
Yeah.
Look, this place had been recommended, it's a nice meal. So next time I come in, I'll probably come in on an evening, maybe get a steak or a chicken dish and come and see what the meals are really like here at Sport Inn in Icmeler.